guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make the Marla Catherine wavy text that she uses in a lot of her videos, usually in her intros though. So there's two ways to do this. So the first way, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it with a free plugin from Mark Webster, but you can also do this with an effect in Final Cut Pro, and this tutorial is working for Final Cut Pro, by the way. So without further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do if you want to download the actual plugin is to go to Mark Webster's Sell-By account, I guess, and then you scroll down to the bottom, and he has this Sam Colder wiggly text, so you buy now, and you're gonna just, you don't have to pay, but you can, press buy now, and you're gonna type in your email. Okay. So then once you have your email, you're just going to press download and it's going to send it to your email. So I'm going to go download. Okay, so it pops up in your email like this. So now you're just going to press download product and it's going to bring you to a new window, and you just press download and it will download to your computer. Now I'm just going to save it to my downloads folder. So once you have it downloaded, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, okay, so now what I'm going to do is go to File or Finder. I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'm going to unzip it by double clicking. Once I have that unzipped, I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to copy this. So it's going to do copy, and then I'm going to go to home. Yeah, I have to do it up here. So I'm going to go to home, movies, and then you can see this file motion templates. I'm going to go to titles and I'm going to paste it, but I already have it pasted here, so I'm not going to do it again, but this is what it would look like. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into Final Cut Pro, and then when you go to your text, it comes up in custom, so I'm just going to put this in my video, and when you put your text in, it's going to look like that. So there's also another way to do this, and it's just using a basic titles and then a distortion feature. So I'm just going to add a basic title here. I'm going to put iEditingX, nothing fancy. X. And once I have that, I'm going to go over to my effects tab over here in Final Cut Pro. I'm going to go to distortion and I'm going to go to underwater and I'm going to put that over my text. So as you can see, it kind of is bent a lot, but at least this gives you more options. So I'm going to make the size a little bigger, the speed a lot less, and the refraction a lot less. And so when it plays, it has the same like wiggly text effect. And you can play around with this to make it really look like Marla's. Like if I make the size a lot smaller, it looks more like that. And then to change that weird distortion, you can change the refraction. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it worked out. I'm working right now on figuring out how to do this on iPhone, but I have a couple of ideas, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it helps, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!